GM and welcome to a new video. Let's talk about PENGU and the Pudgy Penguin ecosystem in general. There's a lot of updates and there has been some new developments, especially for the PENGU claim. So this is part 4 actually covering PENGU. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I explain how the actual claim process for PENGU looks like. I'm gonna link those here as well. And now let's talk about the updates for PENGU. As always, for example, for this tweet here, I will link all the links down in the description. So while you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, that helps me a lot. And now let's dive in. A few days back, Pudgy Penguins posted that the claim period for the PENGU claim will end in 5 days. There is 15% of the total supply still unclaimed. All unclaimed PENGU will be burned. So this is new because when they launched PENGU, they said that there will be 88 days to claim the PENGU. But now they announced that they will end this claim period earlier. So if you haven't claimed your PENGU, make sure to do this now. You probably have around a day left after I post this video, so make sure to actually do this ASAP. I showed you in this video here how the actual claim process looks like. This is the page where you claim your PENGU, and make sure to check all your Sol and EVM wallets in order to see if you maybe missed some, because there's a couple of new developments, as I said. So first of all, make sure to claim all the PENGU that you have allocated to some of your wallets, because the claim period ends really soon. In my previous videos, I told you that you need to hold 250k PENGU in order to get a certain role on a Discord server. They now changed this. There's 3 different tiers. What you see here is the Abstracz portal in the background. For Abstracz, you get certain perks if you hold PENGU, and there's now 3 tiers. 88,888 plus PENGU gives you the first tier, then 888,000 and so on PENGU gives you the second tier, and 8 million and so on gives you the third tier. So if you hold any of those amounts, or if you're close to it, maybe now is a good time to buy this, but as always, no financial advice. And then you actually get extra experience points every week based on your tier. I have the Abstracz series on my YouTube channel. I will link those as well. In my latest video there, I explained how the Abstracz portal works. You can see there how to set everything up, and if you're a PENGU holder, make sure to go to the Discord server and get your role, and then connect your Discord to the Abstracz portal and get those free experience points for holding PENGU. Now, what other things do we have? Igloo is the company behind Abstracz and Pudgy Penguins. Igloo Inc. is committed to pushing the boundaries of what the institutional and commercial adoption of crypto looks like. As a part of this mission, we are working on the first step in bringing new inflows to PENGU and Pudgy Penguin NFTs. This led to some rumors of a potential PENGU ETF. We don't know if that's true. There's been the rumors, but what this says is there will be new inflows. We don't know what that will look like, but this is what Igloo said a couple of days ago on the end of January. So there might be something coming there. Then Pudgy Penguins has 2 new collaborations. This one here, I remember those from back in the day when I was a child, and there will be a collaboration with them. They had collaboration with Pokemon, Disney and many others, and in 25 there will be the collaboration with them. Then also another collaboration with Line Friends, Minini, which seems to be one of the largest IPs in South Korea and Asia. I didn't know them, but I'm European, so I know them, but not Minini. But another huge collaboration. They have 150k followers on X, many more on other social media. So 2 big collaborations. This is the account from them. And then again on the Abstracz launch, with the launch of Abstracz Chain Mainnet, Abstracz has opened up statuses for Pudgy Penguin, Lil Pudgy and PENGU holders. If we go down here, At launch, the Pudgy Penguin Lil Pudgy status gives users bonus experience points for using Abstract. There will be more coming for these holders. As I said, if you hold a certain amount, then you get weekly XP bonuses. But as they tease here, there will be coming more things in the future. They explain it in this thread. As I said, all the links down in the description. Make sure to subscribe. I will do another update on PENGU definitely. And I got another video on my Abstracz series in the works as well. So make sure to follow my channel. That's it for now. Make sure to claim all your PENGU in all of your wallets because the claim is ending sooner than later. So see you in the next video and thank you very much for watching.